Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States. Welcome to my channel everybody. So this is January 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 11. Yes, so once again I am sitting here making these videos, trying to get as many done so that I have my videos up and running while I am recovering from my knee surgery. I don't expect it to be a long recovery. It's just that I'm having knee surgery one day and then I'm having my injections in my lower back the next. And my injections usually take me like 2 to 3 days. I'm usually down for that. So they're going to be done back to back. We're going to see how that works out. My husband is determined that I don't miss my injections. Yeah, he's a funny man sometimes. Yeah, anyway, so let's get started, shall we? So let's see what we have. This is what the kit could have looked like. This is called Hearts for You. You could have made 3 of this card, 3 of this one, 3 of this one. You would have got these 9 real red envelopes. This has diagonals. This is not a sticker label. This is built into the actual envelope. On the back here, this QR code would lead you to a video to show you how to put this kit together as it was designed. This one would lead you to how to purchase the add-on dies, which are called Spring is in the Air, and I'm going to show you those here. I have used them for not only this paper pumpkin kit, but also in last month's paper pumpkin kit. These two will have images. We just haven't seen those yet. This is what the stamp set is. It says, you have my heart, this leaf, and I have the hiccups, this heart, this one, you celebrate love. I will be cutting this in a video here shortly. I have things prepped to do, so I'm on my way. You're my friend, which this really could get cut as well, and I'm not sure if I'm cutting that one up too. So let's get started. So this, I told you guys in video number 10 that I went and I purchased some ephemera that was 40% off. But so the videos 10 through 15, I'm using ephemera pieces to show you how to mix your paper products with this kit to make different cards. Now, I wasn't sure if I have cleaned that off or not, but I do want to clean it off. This card is going to be so simple, guys, you're not going to believe it. So let me show you the ephemera packet. They don't have names on them, but this is it, and I've put them and gone through them. So if you look here, they have this large one with a frame and a flower in it. You could recreate this. Of course, you probably won't have such a detailed frame, but you could do using nesting dies, layering dies, rectangle dies, make yourself a frame, right? Out of paper, you could get a border, and then you could, you know, die cut a flower and put in the center of it. This one is really cool. This I can recreate, no problem. Get a book page, do a die cut in front of it, and you have that one. So this was a really cool little ephemera package I picked up. Let me show you it. So we have a card base that is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. It's in a cream color, and then we have 1/2 of a card base from the kit, that marbly one, which I struggle really hard to see what I can come up with. This one. And this is layer number 1, and it is 4 by 5 1/4. And that is simply going to get glued there. This is going to get glued right on top, and we're going to stamp right here. And this one, I believe I'm going to leave blank on the inside, but it has a little vintage vibe, so I'm just going to use this envelope, and I'm going to do the same little hello. See, I'm not, this is not really it could be a Valentine's if you wanted to. You could also use, if you wanted to, this little love. Let me show you. Would be beautiful on here. I would stick it more like right here, but you could do it right here also, right? This is from the Paper Pumpkin Kit stamps, but I really, you know, I wanted something different. So I am using from the Unbounded Love. I want to show you how to incorporate other stamps. Guys know I cannot resist a hello. You could have used this, love. You could have used faith. I'm just using this wee little hello because that way the inside of this card I can use for whatever I want. And I wanted to show you, this is from last year's celebration. Don't forget with this kit, there's love you more. You have enjoy your day. Hello. So there, just wanted to show you, there's some other ones from the iconic imagery. There's this little love here, which I may use in a kit. There's a heart here as well. There's you, so love you, right? So there are options. I'm just bringing some things to light there, maybe for some of you. Stamp in Pierce Matte. How can it disappear within a matter of seconds? Underneath there, no. Oh, underneath all the stamp cases that I pulled out last time. Here we go. Because all I have to do is stamp hello in basic beige, because I think this is going to, I mean, I could use pretty in pink. You could use flirty flamingo, but let's see. I want it to blend in. I want it to have, I'm going to go with my gut, and my gut says basic beige. Do you see that? I don't want it to stand out. I just want it to be just a little bit. You could do it a couple of times, but that's it. Nothing to this. And we can do hello on here. That's it. Like I said, oh, it says you're my favorite. I could stamp this on the inside. Hello, you're my favorite. Oh, I could put, I'm glad we're friends, right? Isn't that one? Let's see, it says, I love that we are friends. Hello, I love that we are friends. See, no, I really wanted this to be simple, and that's it. That's all I'm doing. I'm going to keep it with what I did. Hello. Yes. Glue it down. No dimensionals. I mean, I think it is pretty enough all on its own. Look at that. You could even do it at an angle if you wanted. I'm not. I'm doing it straight on. We're going to add a little wink of Stella to this one. You could also, with this particular one, you could, if you had a die that fit in here, you could die cut that out and pop it up. It would be gorgeous. I mean, a few little blings would be pretty in there, but I'm not. I told myself this was just meant to be this, just this simple. That's it. And I am going to stick with it. So there you have it. I mean, come on, less than 10 minutes, just a simple little hello in the wink of Stella. Oop, that is gold. That is not the right one. Do the flower. There we go. That's all she wrote. Look, it's got all that little glittery blinging goodness. And some of you guys may think, oh my gosh, how could she just do that? Well, sometimes it doesn't have to be over the top. Simplicity sometimes speaks, and I think this is it. It's subtle, it's blank, it's meant to be this way. That's what I saw when I was putting cards together. Not for time, not because I just wanted to do something, but let me show you. If you wanted to step it up, you could add, I don't like those. Those are too blingy, meaning to me they have too much gold. But if I wanted to, I could add a couple of those little rhinestones on here, and it would step it up that knot, that little bit. But guys, I didn't want to. This is perfectly fine for me the way it is. But of course, everybody has their own what they wanted. But this is what I saw in my head when I did it, and I'm going to keep it that way. So thanks for watching, and I hope you come back and see me in my Wonderland. I think it's still gorgeous. Even though it's simple, it doesn't have to be complicated all the time. So thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye for now.